Oh my god, he's in. Watch him pull. Come on, someone needs to pull a fucking good ticket here.
Oh, it's terminal. Okay.
Yeah, we need to make it fun, you know.
Don't worry, I win that one too.
Go down.
Oh my god.
What the fuck? Probably like, why was that in a terminal? Please let me win my money back.
Come on.
That's me.
Oh wait.
Wait.
I easily win this.
No, it's my day. It's my day, bro. It's my day, bro. I got my money back.
Not make this shit
Okay,
up,
let me make a new
bro.
one for you guys. Yeah, Russian join. He's good. Look, he's level. That's under Brad's code.
Yeah.
Come on, I hope. Go down, go down.
God, that's so dumb. Like, ruin my fucking cooldown. I'm down like 1.2 million. Like, let me have a 0 cooldown. God damn.
Oh!
Okay.
No way, bro.
God damn.
Please let me win again, bro. I need my money back. This is no way I win that. Let Russian win it. Let Russian win it. I can't lose. I just can't lose.
He's him.
Bro, I'm trying to lose, bro. Watch, watch.
He's actually rigged. He's actually fucking rigged.
Bro, we're doing a Bones. This is what Bones did, Prod. He did this. He went in here. He did a 4-way crazy mode like this. Maybe it's this day, bro. Maybe it's today. Maybe it's today, bro. Maybe it's today. 4-way crazy mode like this. Imagine they pulled 2 of them.
Oh my god.
No!
No.
Oh my god! Oh jeez, oh my god! Oh, jeez.
There we go. 2v2. Actually feeling normal because Prod just came in
Yeah, that's crazy, man. That's crazy.
and he has a fucking ticket. Prod actually has tickets. Rush him. Watch him pose a glove right here, bro. Watch.
I'm like, bro.
No, you have
What do you
ticket.
mean I have
Watch.
tickets? I haven't pulled anything on this side for like 10 years.
Watch how perfect that was.
They're due.
Prod, what the fuck are you doing, bro?
Come on, you.
What should we put them for you? Okay, we'll take that
Go
too.
down.
Go down.
Pussy,
We still
are we
behind.
winning? Wait, no, we're still losing.
Come on, please, 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 please. Go down? No.
Alright.
Okay.
That would've been.
Go on, Prod. When you do a video, we open 50 of your cases again. You know the big one.
Damn, Bard Treasure really paid that.
Doesn't matter. This is gonna pay.
Oh,
500 both.
nah.
You know what? That's gonna be lit. That's gonna be the matter of
We're gonna
everything.
lose because of that?
Yeah, bro. Watch. Go down.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, bro.
What the fuck, Kranz?
I got you, bro. You know
Who
it's
did you
my...
suck off today? Holy shit.
Bro, I went down on all 4, bro, and I saw fucking... Never mind. Hold on. What's this case? Oh, no. I feel like I'm gonna pull an MVP here. We lost.
No way we losing that.
Fuck.
Bro.
I didn't even pay
Hey,
shit.
bro. What the fuck, bro? Every time I do battle with Bud, then I'll pay. Watch. 2v2 normal. All in. Watch us pull 3 gloves. 2 on the left and 1 on the right. Is that me? That's me. Watch. The second Prod leaves.
That's crazy, actually.
Prod, I go all in now, right? I win, I'll tip you. Ashimov is gonna be the right call here. On a terminal 2v2.
Wow, you don't trust with anything.
Buddy, shut the fuck up.
Remember when I did that terminal? We didn't win a single time.
Watch. First case here. Bam. Go down. Oh my god, bro.
Oh.
That was the whole battle in one case, though, right? We need a pull here.
Pull back.
Yes.
Good.
Okay. No matter what is profit.
I'm sorry, man.
So if we pull 2 M4s here, we can tip Prod again. No, I'm sorry, bro.
Huh?
Okay, bro, Clashy, you haven't done shit. Just pull that fucking MVP.
Not at least.
We lost.
That's
We
you.
won.
That's you.
What the fuck?
Dude.
Remember, you can support us by using code SET. All you have to do is press rewards here and go down and type here SET. Or you can press balance, and top right corner you can see here you can press set, and when you do that you actually get 5% extra depot up to $100. And another thing is you can actually compete on a leaderboard, you see it right here, and join our Discord, because we have a lot of things for you guys who are under code set. So yeah, join the Discord and you'll be able to join the leaderboard.
Why is he? I swear I'm
Bro,
hearing something.
first case is gonna be the decider of everything. Yes!
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Now we just all draw on top items. We all draw on top items. Imagine gloves here, I'll actually suck a dick. Is that good? 200, right?
50 bucks? Oh, 200.
Bro. Okay, Prod. One Medusa, and we go. They nerfed this case so hard, bro.
Who let me cook, bro?
I still believe in you, Prod. Come on.
Why do I send this guy money?
What is this?
Oh,
You just do a fucking Rolex crazy mode, because we're not gonna pull shit here. They're gonna pull 2, we're gonna pull 1, bang, we're back at 2k. 2 on the right, 1 on the left. Nope. Still 1 though.